So first, when I start a tarot reading, I'm normally reading a client. And so I like to build rapport and just talk about the day and just regular things and try to get the client in a happy mood, a happy and uplifted mood, so things aren't so depressed and sad and unfocused. So I like to get a laugh out of my client. And then I like to get into the story of the question. I like to get to the heart of the matter and ask some questions and kind of find out like what is going on with the person. And then sometimes the question isn't really the question. And so I like to kind of dig around and shuffle the cards and get the energy of the reading and of the room into the cards. And then when I feel like it's time to do the reading, I stop, I cut the cards and I lay them out and begin the reading. And that's how I start a tarot reading.